Okay, Assalamu alaikum. So before we cover the passive present tense verb, let's just go over real quickly what we've done so far in terms of verbs. So a fi'l is a verb, which is essentially just an action. And there's two main components to a verb. There is the fa'il, which is the doer of the verb. Then there's the maf'ul, the object or the one receiving the action of a verb. So if I had something such as Zayd hit Muhammad, right? In this case, Zayd would be the fa'il because he's the doer of the action. Hit would be the fi'il, which is the verb, and then Muhammad would be the one receiving the hit, so he's receiving the action, so he would be the maf'ul, right? We said further that the maf'ul has two main parts. I guess we said the maf'ul could be divided into two categories when it comes to a verb. There are verbs that have maf'uls that are lazim or that are muta'addi. Lazim meaning that they pretty much can't take a maf'ul, that the verb has no need for an object. So we can look at the verb such as kharaja, which means he left. In the case of he left, there's no need for an object, right? That's not going to be transferred onto an object. Somebody does the action and then it's solely done. It's independent to that individual. When it comes to muta'addi, which in English means transitive, that action has to be transferred over to an object, meaning that the verb itself requires an object. An example of this would be daraba, right? So if I just said Zayd hit, that wouldn't be enough. I need to know what Zayd hit, because hitting requires that there be something that receives it, right? So that would be a muta'addi verb, muta'addi maf'ul to a verb. Wow, good start.